Alright, we're going to go over how to replace a wheel stud. Couple things that you'll need. Just a lug nut, the new stud. These are going to be measured in length and thread, as well as the knurling on the end. And to make life a lot easier, we have a stud installation tool, which is basically just a thick beveled washer with a bearing on one end. Makes it a ton easier. So first thing we're going to go ahead and do is pound out the old stud. It's not that hard. Install the new stud from the back. Thread this on by hand as tight as you can go, which is right about there. And what it's going to do is it's going to start pulling in that stud right there. You might be tempted to use an impact. I never suggest using impacts on these just because you might damage the threads, you might damage the tool. And if you have this tool, it makes it really easy to do it by hand anyway. So you're going to make sure that there's no gaps in between the stud and the spindle, and I'm going to go just a little bit tighter on this. It's sucked it in, and then what you'll do is you'll go ahead and torque it down to whatever the wheel spec is for that vehicle. Back it up.